Hey guys, I wanted to show you how you can propagate your mulberry tree. You see where the nodules are at? You can just cut right below it, and then you get yourself a little, could be anywhere 6 to 10 inches, or whatever, even longer is fine. And then you can put this in the ground. You can put a little bit of growth hormone on the bottom if you want. Some people like to, I've seen where they peel the bottom like this. They put them in the ground, and pretty soon you'll start to get new leaves, and you have to develop a root system, and then you can pretty much, you have yourself another tree. So, cuttings are a very good way to just get yourself some more free trees. There you go. See how easy this is? Take rocket science. Apple right there. And we got another one. And you're ready to plant them. And don't be afraid to fail. I mean, try different ones, and some will take, not all of them will take. But if you plant 10 and you get 3 or 4 that take, that's 3 or 4 trees that you can grow now, just from cuttings. So anyway, just wanted to show you how easy it is to propagate your mulberry tree. So give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.